We are taking problem of heterosidosity. Problem of heterosidosity is arise when we know acceptation of ui uj is equal to common variance if I equal to j, means same error term, but it is not found to be a constant in between two variables, two disturbance term. Different types of variances arises. Problem of heterosidosity arise. Today we are taking what are the sources of arising heterosidosity and what its consequences. Thank you. Today I am taking heterosidosity. You have seen autocorrelation and arises when disturbance term are correlated. Disturbance term are correlated means acceptation of ui uj is not equal to 0, where I and j are different, means disturbance term are correlated. Heterosidosity is also based on the violation of assumptions. You see, heterosidosity meaning an assumption about the disturbance term is that their variances are same. An assumption about the disturbance term is that their variances are same, that is they have same probability distribution over all observation of x. In symbols, ui uj is equal to variance of error term when I equal to j. This is properly known as a case of homozydosity. When this assumption is arises, always ui uj is equal to variance of error term phi I is equal to j. This property is known as homozydosity. If the property is violated, we get heterosidosity, means ui uj not equal to a constant variance of error term for I is equal to j. We get problem of heterosidosity. Parenthesis of heterosidosity. If variance of error term is not constant, the value will depend on the experimental variable x. If variance ui is equal to variance error term, and then on variance of any observation, e square is function of experimental variable fxi. We had already told you, if variance of error term is not constant, the value of depend the experimental value of x. It means it is function of experimental variable. The parenthesis of heterosidosity would depend on signs, since and value of coefficient of relationship variance is equal to a function of fxi. Variance ui acceptation in bracket ui minus eui is equal to whole square. On expanding, we know expansion of ui is equal to 0, means ui is equal to 0. Ui whole square is equivalent to variance of error term. Here you see variance of ui taking acceptation eui whole square and eui becomes 0, it will equivalent to variance of error term, a constant value. These features of homogeneity of variance are constant variance, known as homozydosity. It may be the case, however, that all the condition of non-constant variance or non-homogeneity of variance is known as heterosidicity. Thus we say that use disturbance terms are heterosidacitic when variance of ui not equal to constant value, but variance of ui, a value that varies every time, not constant. Since the disturbance term, disturbance term are usually not observable. Hence, we take the following assumption about the pattern. Variance is equal to function of constant k square in bracket xi whole square experimental variable I, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Second, variance is equal to k in bracket xi. Third, variance is equal to k upon xi, where k is the constant, the value which can be estimated from the given data. Matrix notation that heterosidicity, the general linear model in matrix form y is equal to x beta plus u, where y is the n cross 1 and x is n by k and beta k by 1 and u n by 1, where estimated beta in bracket x transpose x whole ka inverse x transpose y. The variance covariance matrix, this disturbance term is already we have done matrix n by 1 and its transpose is 1 minus k of multiplying EUI whole square acceptation multiplying matrix and taking assumption EUI whole square acceptation of U1 U2 dash dash EU1 U2 acceptation now then second multiply EU U2 EU square and U acceptation U2 UN UN U3 like U2 U3 and U3 whole square U3n and similarly dash dash EU1 UN dash dash UN square. Applying assumption, we know UI Uj is equal to 0, where I not equal to j, and E UI Uj is equal to common variance when I equal to j. Applying the assumption on this, the assumption model will become E acceptation of U is equal to rho in, where in is the identity matrix of order n. This we can write like this matrix n by n. But in case heterosidicity, this variance are not constant, is EUI Uj not equal to constant variance in, then matrix becomes like that. Different variances U transport Uj like this one, lambda 1 0 0 0 lambda 2 lambda 3 and so on. All the variances are not same like here. Are the variations not same as here, because here the case of heterosidicity. After this parenthesis, we are coming when causes sources of heterosidicity, how heterosidicity generated. Sources of heterosidicity, there are many theoretical or appropriate reason for the presence of heterosidicity. Some these are: if there are measurement errors, they tend to increase in value of experimental variables. First, second, the omitted variables, if any, tend to change in the same direction as the induced variables. Includes a variable. The omitted variables, if any, tend to change in the same direction as the included variables. In studying consumption or saving behavior of cross section of farm families, the variability in their behavior is likely to be more in high income families or vice versa. In production function studies based on a sample of farms, the technical and managerial variability increases with the increases in farm size. Fifth, the incident of crop disease and the pest are generally more when higher doses of the fertilizer is applied. Main cause, they may be load to higher random errors associated with higher fertilizer application. Important causes. Source of heterozygosity. What effect of heterozygosity? Consequences. If model yi alpha plus beta xi plus ui, then estimated beta is equal to sigma xi yi upon sigma xi whole square, where xi yi are derivations from mean. Estimated beta sigma xi, putting the value of yi beta xi plus ui sigma xi whole square, substituting yi is equal to beta xi plus ui. Estimated beta on expanding beta sigma xi upon xi plus sigma xi ui upon xi whole square. And this is eliminated. Estimated beta is equal to beta plus sigma xi yi upon xi whole square. Taking acceptation of both sides, E estimated beta plus sigma beta xi, E acceptation ui upon sigma xi whole square. But EUI is equal to 0, hence estimated beta equal to beta. Hence estimated beta is unbiased estimated of beta, and same will be for alpha under the case of heterozygosity. Second, variances. The variances of ordinary least square estimate will be incorrect. We have shown that estimated beta is equal to beta sigma xi ui upon sigma xi whole square. Taking beta this side, sigma xi ui upon sigma xi, on squaring both sides, estimated beta estimated beta minus beta whole square upon 1 upon sigma xi whole square, and squaring them, first xi plus u1 plus x2 u2 plus x3 u3 and so on xn un, on squaring 1 upon sigma xi whole square, sigma xi whole square and squaring sigma starting from 1 to n xi ui whole square of both them, and combination of 2 sigma I not equal to j and xi xj ui uj, combination of 2. Taking acceptation of both sides, E estimated beta minus beta whole square 1 upon sigma xi whole square sigma xi square whole square, and this will become 0. Sigma I is equal to 1 and xi whole square EUI whole square. If the problem of homozygosity means a problem if the variants are homozygotic, means EUI uj equal to common variance when I equal to j I equal to j, variance of beta is equal to variance of error term sigma xi. Since ei is equal to 0, not equal to j in this case, and here applying this assumption. But here under heteroscedasty, EUI whole square not equal to common variance, not equivalent to common variance, and let us assume EUI is epsilon I whole square, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n, means all the variances are different. Variance of estimated beta is equal to sigma n, I is equal to 1 xi whole square in bracket sigma xi whole square. Putting the first case, when it is function of variance is equal to k square xi whole square. First case, applying this k square sigma n I is equal to 1 xi whole square sigma xi whole square. This eliminated by this. Hence we see that the variance of ordinary least square estimate will also differ than the variance of ordinary least square estimate. When there was no heteroscedasty. Third, efficiency in ordinary estimate, we have smallest variance, means variances are minimized. But whether this property holds, present case are not correct. Variance of beta is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 up to n sigma xi whole square. Different variances I whole square, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n upon sigma xi whole square first, and variance in ordinary case, variance of estimated beta is equal to variance of error term sigma xi whole square to when homoscedasty, since first is different from second. If it is evident that the variance will be inefficient, let us assume that variance is function of ki, variance of error term. Hence we can write variance of beta is equal to sigma xi whole square ki variance of error term divided by sigma xi whole square simplifying variance of error term sigma xi whole square in bracket sigma ki xi whole square and xi whole square. This is equivalent to variance of beta, estimated beta in ordinary case, means heteroscedasty not present. This is a positive quantity, sigma ki xi whole square, sigma xi positive quantity. This shows variance of estimated beta is greater than variance of estimated beta. Variance of beta is greater than variance of estimated beta under heteroscedasty. It means variance is affected by case of heteroscedasty. Variance is not minimized. So today I have taken when heteroscedasty arises and what is its sources and what effect on case of estimator in case of heteroscedasty. Thank you.